Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh my God. Are you f***ing serious? Oh, no. Pull over now!
Yeah, I'm gonna
pull over!
Yeah, I'm gonna pull.
Right here!
Let's call the cops. You rear-ended me. You rear-ended me.
Okay?
I'm supposed to yield. You too.
En 800 pies, gira a la izquierda con dirección a West Reading Street.
Oh my God.
Timeline. Yeah, timeline. Yeah. Well, we're not giving dates. No. No, I'm just asking if you were seeing her while you guys.
Uh-oh. Should I just nose him?
What is he doing?
I don't know. The f*** are you doing, dude? The f*** are you doing? Excuse me? What are you doing? What are you doing? Thank you. Yeah, dude. Welcome to America. Wow.
Keep going, buddy.
Seriously? You f***ing nicked me, dude. It's your balls. Welcome to America.
Shown up to be the pig that they display.
Wow. Oh my God. You
Celebrating
around that red, dude.
loss of life and the loss of freedom. So that
Hey, idiot. Watch yourself, you dumb fuck.
Have me on your side, saying that you need me. I talk, but I ain't trying to preach you.
Paddleboarding and kayaking on the ocean, and the storm kind of swept up and swept them out like 8 miles from where they started. And they just were so far away, and nobody was coming to help them.
Here, let me see. Yo. Oh my God. God, are you serious? Are you serious? Are you hello?
This is something for us to really communicate. Dismantle all the good things. Well, if America's in a dark place.
Oh shit.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. You! You!
We not doing this. We absolutely not doing this. Absolutely not doing it. Check your side mirror next time.
Oh, this is a senior center. That's nice. Nice senior center, actually. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Now they're brake checking you. Oh my.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.